This is STK002 speed test kit. With the help of this test kit, we can simulate our speed sensors and all speed systems up to 4000 RPM. So normally it's consisting of one reference speed sensor of Braun make and a dual channel indicator and one rotating gear wheel and points for external sensor connections and 24-volt power supply for powering up external monitors and all, and one selection switch for reverse and forward rotation, and one speed control knob, which with the help of this one we can control the speed, and this one is the powering switch, and this LED will lit up when we connect the power cord and it is having the power, it will lit on. To check the sensor, we are having matching adapters, so you can select the one according to your thread size, and we have to put that on the sensor with the help of these check nuts. And after that we are providing three separate sensor mounting positions for TMR racks. So in one we can mount the sensor. So we are currently now mounting at the air gap of approx 1.5 to 1.3 mm. And after that we have to connect the leads of the sensor for to check the external sensor in this connection banana sockets. So in the kit it is clearly mentioned that which one is the power supply for the sensor and common and signal connections. So after connecting the sensor, we have to power up the speed test kit with the help of this power on switch. Then the monitor will powered on. Now we need to rotate the gear wheel and check whether the external sensor is working or not. So now we are put that on forward direction, and with the help of this speed control knob we can increase the speed. So now you can see the speed RPM value on this monitor module. So currently it is showing the channel number 1's output, which is our reference sensor. To check the response of this external sensor connected on channel 2, we have to press this E button on this monitor module. Then you can see the channel number changes. So if we again press this one, then it will move back to the output of channel 1. So with the help of this we can verify whether the sensor is working or not, and also you can verify the speed value fluctuations and deviations.